Good morning, everybody, from Dubs' Saw Shop. So, I got this Poulan 330. I picked this thing up off Facebook Marketplace. And the guy was pretty honest. I got it. Runs good. Went to put bar oil in, and sure as doo-doo, it had the Poulan leak. So me and the guy that sold it to me got digging into it and found out that the person that had it before him had used the wrong bar, and everybody knows what happened. The bar adjuster doesn't line up, and it ends up getting smashed back into the crankcase, blows the crankcase out, leaks oil everywhere. So I'm currently cleaning in stages, JB welding. Luckily, the wall of bars and chains. I was bummed out, and then I remembered I got this dang quick adjust bar. That I can use on it. Problem is, that bar is 325. So all I gotta do is, I actually have a 325 sprocket here. I'm gonna just swap this one from 3/8 to 325. I'm filling this whole piece, I'm filling this whole thing solid with JB weld. And luckily, we're gonna be able to make a chainsaw run and cut out of this. Good news. So what my main objective for this video is, guys, if we don't know what bar goes on what saw, look online, try Google. If you got a shop, just call and ask them. I'm sure they can figure it out, because a mistake so easy to make, so simple and easy to make, because one, you're not paying attention, and a lot of people don't know no better. So like I told that guy, I'm not blaming anybody, because you don't know what you don't know until you finally figure it out, and then you know. So luckily, we're gonna be able to make something good come out of this. We're gonna have us another cutting 330, and this one is gonna get some kind of rowdy porting, unlike this one. So yeah, that's about as far as I'm gonna take this video. I'll do another video on the bars, different bar mounts for different ones: Husky, Steel, Poulan, McCullough. And we'll take it from there. We got projects. Actually, I got this Wild thing. It's a 4218. I actually just picked up, got to go pick it up this afternoon, a 2375 Wild thing. Non-strato. Gonna be fun. Got plans for the John Cutter. We got a direction that we're gonna be heading with that one. It's gonna be a fun coming up project. That's a Poulan 2800 part saw. It actually runs good. It's just missing a few pieces, so it's gonna be good parts for these. Same with that one. If that one doesn't make the cut, it doesn't work out, we got parts for set number 1 and some spare parts for set number 2. I believe we about 98% got this thing pretty dang good. Been cutting with it for about the last hour. Little fix seemed to work. If it's leaking any, it ain't leaking much. But I believe we got it. Also, guys, look what we done acquired. 2175 50th anniversary Poulan wild thing. I really like this song. This is probably the one we're gonna tweak with, just because this one's the non-strato version, and 372 carb will probably go good on that thing. Ended up getting a pretty good deal on that one. Dude also had this one. It's 2075 super clean. They're pretty much the same size, so gonna be able to use them for parts if we need to. That one's weird, man. This one's got a chain brake, it works. That one's got a brake flag on it, but it doesn't go to nothing. That's pretty interesting. Can't say I've ever seen that before.